ngize nendaba allegedly. Yazi bafethu kulezi zinsuku ezindlula umuntu ubhizi akakhona ukuba la sometimes ngiyangena ngiphume nje angikhoni ukuthi ngipost because kuba busy but ngibonile bafethu kulezi zinsuku into engijabulise kakhulu baba uZuma eseNamibia namanye ama-delegates ala eSouth Africa indlela ubaba uZuma abantu abamjabulele ngayo ngabe mbone ngena abafethu futhi thina silandela umuntu okhethiwe ngempela onogcobo hayi umuntu okhethwe imali akuyena umuntu okhethwe imali ubaba uZuma ile nto yakhe he was born with it that's why nakuphi la ifika khona it shows so mina bafethu ngichaze kakhulu anginankinga nobaba wenkomo but ngimbonile nje ukuthi hey akuba ngamnandi lokungena kwakhe ngathi ngena nje ingane esikole eklasini ingane encane nje yabo naye engadume ngalutho futhi kungcono nalezi ezidume mhlambe ngokuthi sinama jokes mayingena abantu bayahleka eklasini wemnandi ingane esikole nje engadume ngalutho wangena uba umsholozi bafethu yazi uthe sekuphelile abantu bashaya ujenge bezofuna ukuzoshutha naye wabalinda khona icomment ilokhu uzali post njengibonile komunye walabo bhuti bebeme lapha kuleya queue esho ukuthi ubaba uZuma hey loya bafethu umuntu wabantu yazi ibhlungu ke into ukuthi kunabantu la kweyithi country not outside kweyithi country abangamqondo ubaba uZuma masisho futhi basethuka because there is this thing ukuthi they wanted to assassinate his career but they failed because njoba ngisho ubaba Zuma is a chosen one bafethu if you want to argue go and argue with your granny that one is a chosen one ngitshela umuntu ongathiwa kupostwa njalo ngaye ko X phela X is international endabeni kunywa ngobaba Zuma corrupt ama case wonke lawa ubaba Zuma every day but Tina more than 3 million people in South Africa alone we still believe in him so bafethu yabo le nto leya ingigeza inhliziyo ngaphakathi namanje ngijabule kabi uyabona there is this friend of mine from Zim he comes to SA mhlambe makazofuna imachinery nawo ku construction siyenza into efanayo uyeza la eSouth Africa mayezofuna imachinery then he will call me sihlangane ngimlande airport isihambe and then later on the day siyahamba siya eSentini kunabangani bakhe baseSentini and then so Bloma lapha and then he asked me ukuthi I see now on your WhatsApp you're in MK it is and he's like but with President Zuma being labeled a criminal, a corrupt person, is in and out of courts. Tell me, what is happening? And then I tell him, you know, Babu Zuma, they are trying to tarnish his name by assassinating his career, ngamanga, the propaganda, because they are afraid of him. Because Babu Zuma, he genuinely wanted to liberate black people, but he was overpowered because he was a nobody at the time in the ANC, heading towards the elections in 1994. And those negotiations were bigger than him, very big. So he couldn't do anything. Yabo. Even Ubabu Krisan, he couldn't do anything, in fact. Yes, he was against it, and he didn't want to be a part of it, of which is the reason why he was assassinated. But Ubabu President Zuma, he played along, which is why he later became president. And then whilst Goodman uzozama ukuthi akhulula abantu, but it was not going to happen because he was under the very same party that does not want that to happen. So he was just a president of the ANC. he was not the NEC of the ANC. Uyabo, so i-NEC ANC is strong because abantu abahlukene with interest efanayo, all of them, and then when you are just alone without any support, so there was nothing he could do, which is why he is now starting a new party, of which is an MK. So if people can vote for MK bafethu, yeah, people will see ukuthi lento elokhu ikhulunywa ngobaba uZuma na yonke into bamvimbelana ubaba uZuma, because abantu they don't believe. Abantu bakholelwa kakhulu into abayizwayo. Uyabona, for instance nje, uma ngabe ukuthi ngempela ubaba uZuma there's anything akayenza, why kuze kube namhlanje kungekho umuntu osane proof? Yabona, if you know something, you don't need to go to the media and then you tell them ukuthi President Zuma thina wenzani namagupta. Uyabona u-Arthur Fraser yanifundisa, but you did not learn. Wanifundisa u-Arthur Fraser, lahamba waya laphana elokhu police station wayovula i-case against ubaba wenkomo ngendaba yasephalaphala. And then ubaba wenkomo, he came and he echoed ukuthi yenzeka le nto ngempela njengoba ishilo u-Arthur Fraser, noma kukhona okuphikiwe but le nto ikhona. So kungani nina kungekho ngisho isicucu esisodwa nje ke esikhona okanye oyedwa ufakazela lezi zinto enikhuluma ngobaba uZuma? Ngitho yedwa umuntu, kulo muntu ocorrupt kangaka eSouth Africa neAfrica nezwe lonke, kodwa kukho noyedwa umuntu osakwaqhamuka forward kule minyaka eminingi kangaka. Uyabona nje indaba sephalaphala yenzeka nje yadlula. Siyazi ukuthi ngempela lapha kwakunemali okungokomthetho wase-South Africa okungavumelekile ukuthi ube nayo in your possession noma ngabe ubani. Asikiyeke lokhu ukuthi ngikhuluma nje ngemali, asikiyeke lokhu ukuthi imithetho-ke yebhizinisi ithini, kumele udeclare mangabe kuyimali ebuya ngaphandle nana. Asikiyeke lokho, ngikhuluma nje ngomuntu nje ofana nami ukuthi you are not allowed to have that kind of money, more than, I would say more than 100,000. Asikiyeke ka 25,000, more than 100,000 in your possession, you are not allowed. So wayevuma ubaba wenkomo leyo. So kodwa ke ongeza la akhulume ngobaba uZuma ukuthi kukhona into akayaziyo ngaye. So it shows you ukuthi these people wanted to stop President Zuma, but they are failing even today. That's why mayizofika eNamibia abantu bathi upresident lo bayamazi president wabantu, because why? That's what he is. You cannot stop ubaba uZuma. Ubaba uZuma was born with this thing.